SmartCool established in the year of 2011. We offer you all type of air conditioning systems like split units, cassette, ductable units, VRV and chillers for your all type of requirements, from your small room to big residences, for the institutes, IT buildings, hotel, hospitals, for the builder segment, banquets and shopping malls.
तो हमारे पास अप्रॉक्सीमेटली ऐसे 12 डीलर्स हैं जो ऑपरेट करते हैं इस रीजन में, एंड आई थिंक विद हिज हार्ड वर्क ही हैज़ अटेन्ड नंबर 1 पोजीशन.
हम कभी भी आउटसोर्स एम्प्लॉइज़ नहीं लेते, सारी टीमें हमारे पास इन हाउस है, एंड ऑल द इंजीनियर्स गेट trained and certified by Daikin.
We have had a unique requirement around 500 ton of VRV system at our new premises at IT Park Mohali. Stinder Singh from SmartCool was very helpful with the initial design, planning and installation. More importantly, after sales service by him is exceptional. His team is outstanding. He himself is always present. We recommend him highly.
My experience with him has been very good, and he is much better dealer than any other dealer in Chandigarh, Panchkula or Mohali, and hope people will avail his services.
The mantra of our growth is we have a proper staff, teams of experts in different departments. Sales में we have a 6-7 persons, projects में experts team है हमारे पास, सर्विस में है for the drawings, AutoCAD drawings, HVAC layouts and in accounts and logistics. So पूरा ही काम proper systematically होता है to deliver the better and on time services. हमारे साथ जो लोग काम कर रहे हैं, दे आर फ्रॉम द डे वन विद अस. एवरीबॉडी वर्क फ्रॉम देयर हार्ट.
ਤੇ ਇਸ ਕੰਪਨੀ ਨੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਗਰੋਥ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਹੈ, ਔਰ ਸਟਾਫ ਵੀ ਸਾਡਾ ਸਾਰਾ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਨਾਲ ਮਿਲ ਕੇ ਕੰਮ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੈ. ਸਾਡੇ MD ਸਾਹਿਬ ਵੀ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੈਲਪ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ.
ਮੇਰੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਅੱਛੀ ਗਰੋਥ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ ਸਮਾਰਟਕੂਲ ਸਿਸਟਮਸ ਨੂੰ ਜੁਆਇਨ ਕਰਕੇ, ਐਂਡ ਬਹੁਤ ਓਪਰਚੁਨਿਟੀਜ਼ ਸਰ ਨੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਪ੍ਰੋਵਾਈਡ ਕੀਤੀਆਂ, ਜਿਵੇਂ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਕੋਈ ਫੋਰਨ ਟੂਰ ਜਾਣਾ ਹੈ, ਕੋਈ ਅਸੀਂ ਅਚੀਵ ਕੀਤਾ, ਸਰ ਨੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਉਹ, ਤੇ ਵੀ ਆਰ ਲਾਈਕ ਅ ਫੈਮਿਲੀ.
First of all, I would like to congratulate or compliment Stinder as a person, being a very authentic and genuine person, and then for his professional undertakings. And we have been executing quite a number of projects, both residential, commercial, and again many hotels, hospitals. And over in all these projects, we have actually cherished working with him. He has been quite appropriate with his verdicts. He has been quite authentic with his takes and doesn't compromise on any critical areas.
जब मैं 15-16 में यहाँ पे आया तो his turnover was approximately 4 to 5 crores. This year he'll be closing at about 30 crores, which I think is a great achievement.
We set our target that by the end of 2025 SmartCool को हम 100 करोड़ की कंपनी बनाएंगे.
I can see him doing about 100 crores, 120 crores in 3-4 years. This is my confidence in him.